Hello, let's talk about sentences. There are lots of different kinds of sentences, but today we're just going to be looking at two things that every sentence needs: a subject and a predicate. Let's look at a simple sentence. The cat sleeps. The subject of a sentence is who or what the sentence is about. In this case, it's the cat. It's two words because the subject can be multiple words. Here it's the cat. It's a specific cat, the cat. Then the predicate tells us something about what the subject is doing. In this case, the predicate is sleeps. Subjects and predicates aren't a kind of word, they're about meaning, so they can be groups of words. Let's look at a longer sentence and see if we can find a subject and predicate. The black cat with a bow tie is sleeping on the bed. This is a longer sentence. Let's think about what words are talking about the subject, what it's about. Well, we have a group of words that describe the cat. The black cat with a bow tie is the subject of this sentence. It's very specific in this sentence. It tells us who or what the sentence is about. To find the predicate, we ask ourselves, what is the subject doing? Well, it's sleeping on the bed. So that's our predicate. And that's subject and predicate in a sentence. The subject is who or what it's about, and the predicate tells us what the subject is doing. There are different kinds of sentences that have multiple subjects and predicates, but that's a video for another time. Subscribe to Mr. H's learning resources for more.